Learn English too.
ગુજરાતી.
Funny mini stories with.
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
Welcome to your Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati without sounding like a malfunctioning robot. We will laugh a little, repeat a lot, and make these phrases stick. Today you will learn 5 highly useful phrases in
ગુજરાતી.
They help you ask for things, ask for help, understand explanations, follow directions, and promise to message later. In short, this is the survival kit for being polite, mildly confused, and socially functional. Your target phrases are:
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો? શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો? તે મને તે સમજાવે છે. તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
and
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
the Great Table Reach Crisis. Let's begin with one of humanity's greatest problems. The object is right there, but somehow also impossibly far away. Imagine you are at a table. The sugar is near someone else. Your hand stretches. Your dignity stretches. Your arm is still too short. So you say,
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
meaning, can you give me that? Try it again, slowly.
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
Mini scene. I point at the book and ask.
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
My friend hands it over like a hero in a low-budget action movie. Funny memory trick. Picture a cat sitting on your keys like it pays rent. You do not fight the cat. You stay elegant and say,
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
useful chunking.
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
When life becomes too heavy. Now let's level up from asking for an object to asking for actual help, which is brave, useful, and sometimes necessary when your bag weighs as much as a baby elephant. The phrase is,
શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
it means, can you please help me? You can use it with bags, maps, doors, directions, or moments of dramatic confusion. Mini story. You are in a market carrying too many bags. One bag starts making suspicious noises. You turn to a kind stranger and ask,
શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
Congratulations, you are polite and practical. Notice the polite word,
કૃપા કરીને.
meaning please. It adds warmth and respect. Repeat with me.
શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
Tiny memory hook. If you are lost, tired, confused, or holding 6 things and one emotional burden, this is your phrase. The friendly explainer. Sometimes you do not need a thing. You need a person with patience, clarity, and maybe a whiteboard marker. Our next phrase is,
તે મને તે સમજાવે છે.
meaning, he explains that to me. This is useful when talking about a teacher, a friend, or that one patient person who can explain phone settings without causing a family crisis. Mini classroom moment. I stare at the rule like it is written by aliens. Then my friend smiles.
તે મને તે સમજાવે છે.
Key word.
સમજાવે.
Means explains, not just understands, but explains. Repeat it once more.
તે મને તે સમજાવે છે.
Funny image. Imagine a parrot wearing glasses, standing in front of a blackboard, calmly saying,
તે મને તે સમજાવે છે.
Somehow, you learn faster. The heroine with directions. Next, let's avoid wandering in circles like a confused potato with shoes. The phrase is,
તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
it means, she shows us the way. This is great for stories, travel situations, and remembering the word.
રસ્તો.
Meaning way or road. Mini scene. We are lost in a dark street, pretending we totally know where we are. We do not. A woman points ahead and
તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
repeat.
તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
Memory trick. Imagine a glowing path appearing on the ground while a guide points and smiles. That mental movie helps lock in.
રસ્તો,
and
બતાવે,
we will text you, promise. And now, the modern classic, the polite delayed reply. Humanity may not answer quickly, but at least it can answer politely. Your phrase is,
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
meaning, we'll write to you later. This is useful when you cannot reply now but want to promise future communication instead of vanishing into the digital fog. Mini dialogue. A asks, can you reply now? B says, not now.
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
Keyword alert.
પછી,
Means later.
લખીશું.
Means will write. Say it with me.
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
Funny image. Imagine a giant pen checking a wristwatch and saying, very seriously.
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
Quick dialogue drill. Now you will hear the phrases in tiny situations. Just listen, smile, and maybe nod like an ambitious language champion. At dinner, the salt is too far away. You ask.
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
Your suitcase handle breaks at the station. You ask.
શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
You do not understand the homework. Your classmate helps, and you say.
તે મને તે સમજાવે છે.
You are lost, but a guide appears.
તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
You are busy now, but you promise a later reply.
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
Mini quiz without panic. Time for a friendly quiz. No stress. If you forget something, just blame the imaginary cat from earlier. How do you say, can you give me that?
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
How do you say, can you please help me?
શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
How do you say, he explains that to me?
તે મને તે સમજાવે છે.
How do you say, she shows us the way?
તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
How do you say, we'll write to you later?
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
Your final challenge. Let's put everything together. You are now entering the Grand Championship of Useful Everyday Gujarati. Picture this. You are visiting friends. The book is far away, so you ask.
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો?
Then your bag falls over and you say.
શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો?
A patient man explains the situation, so you think.
તે મને તે સમજાવે છે.
Later, a woman leads you out of a maze-like neighborhood.
તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
Finally, you leave and promise a message.
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
If you followed all that, you are doing brilliantly. Thanks and keep practicing. Great job today. You learned practical Gujarati phrases that you can actually use in real conversations. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these 5 phrases out loud.
શું તમે મને એ આપી શકો છો? શું તમે મને કૃપા કરીને મદદ કરી શકો છો? તે મને તે સમજાવે છે. તે અમને રસ્તો બતાવે છે.
And
અમે તમને પછી લખીશું.
repeat them tomorrow, use them when you can, and remember, progress in language learning is built one useful sentence at a time.